Let's make this cute headband together. I'm going to use these 2 yarn. We start by tying a knot inside our hair tie. And now we're going to make 85 chain stitches. I don't know about you, but I like to experiment with colors. So I'm not sure if these will match, but I think both colors are beautiful. And we already have our 85 little chains. Now let's make half double crochet stitches. I'm just going to finish this row and I'll be right back. We finish here with a half double crochet stitch inside our hair tie. Now let's make 2 rows of half double crochet stitches with our green crochet yarn. I have to confess, sometimes I get scared that you won't understand my tutorials, so leave a comment so I know what I should improve. Okay, let's get back to work. As I said, we're going to make 2 rows with the green crochet yarn. Well, I don't know about you, but I love these conversations we have. So I hope we have more conversations like these. We finally finish our 2 half double crochet stitches point series here. Let's move on to our final row. We'll add half double crochet stitches all the way around this row. Let's finish this row with some half double crochet stitches. Leave a little bit of yarn for sewing. Now, using a needle, we're going to sew it just like I'm going to show you. It's done, but notice one side turned out better than the other. So let's adjust. We finished, and it's gorgeous. Oh my god, I can't believe it. And if you've made it this far, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Kisses.